Let's study the power of accommodation of an eye and how does it work. When light enters the eye, refraction occurs in the cornea and the lens. The curvature of the lens changes when we focus on an object. An inverted, miniaturized object is formed on the retina. Change the object distance and observe. We can see that when the object is far, the lens flattens so that the sharp image is formed on the retina. When the object is nearby, the light has to refract more so the lens becomes thicker, thereby decreasing the focal length of the eye lens. This enables us to see nearby objects clearly. The adjustment of the thickness of the lens to change its focal length is controlled by the ciliary muscles. Hence, the process by which the ciliary muscles change the focal length of an eye lens to focus distant or near objects clearly on the retina is called the accommodation of the eye.